Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to stream Netflix on Discord. So to do this process, first thing is make sure you have a Netflix window open up, and of course just simply sign in into your account over here. Now from here, go to your Discord. Now of course, in order for you to stream, go to one of your voice channel in your channel, and from here just simply go ahead and select this icon over here, share your screen. So go ahead and tap on share your screen, and of course from here you will have an option Chrome tab, and to stream the Netflix, just make sure to select the Netflix Chrome, and from here also make sure to share the tab audio. So if this is turned off, the audience will not hear the music. So make sure to turn it on, select share, and right after that, this window is being shared by Netflix. And when I go to the channel, it will look something like this, and people can watch it live, as you can see over here. So pretty much, even I am on Discord, they will only be seeing the Netflix tab that we chose. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.